Okay, so I got this Campfire S'more kit, but I think she updated something because you would normally get this little chocolate slime in this little container right here, which I did, which is nice. But the little white stuff in here that you see is like the marshmallow of the s'more, and it's supposed to come in a container a little bigger than this, but it didn't, and it already came mixed in, and the brown snowfish is supposed to come in here already, but I was just a little not that happy about it because I would want to assemble it myself, but it's alright. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this. This is the chocolate of the s'more. It is a thick and glossy, and then this is a snowfish, the brown part, and the white part is the marshmallow, and it smells like a s'more. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble it. The marshmallow part is a little stiff. I do believe it is a butter. Oh, it looks like there's a little charm. It is a chocolate piece. Smells kind of like the Target section where like all the candles are, so pretty nice. Oh, there's another little charm. Looks like a heart chocolate chip. Oh, and another. And it is a chocolate heart. The end color, not my favorite, but is a nice smell. Became more stretchy, and it's pretty inflating and sizzly. It has nice ASMR, and I like it.